Sawadee ka! Third day in Thailand. Mga kasama ko, mukhang turista na ako. Oh. Sawadee ka! Kung ngay man ko. Third day in Thailand. Masyal kami yung sa Lepante ah. Yes, we're going to Elephant Sanctuary. Yes, with the team, of course.
Simbahan ba siya magsimba kayo?
Ganun sila eh.
Alam naman ng Panginoon yung puso natin.
Obserbahan ko kanina po. Basta
Napapaso na yung passport. Kaya sumama sa amin sa Singapore, matatakan man lang daw.
oo.
Dating Heves, di ba?
Yes.
Digital ko pa.
Puro digital na ngayon.
Nasa email. Dati tinatakan.
Yeah, this is their highway.
High-tech lang. Ano po ang makeup na kayo? High-tech lang. Boarding pass. Tinatakan. Dati sa parking.
Tago mo yung boarding pass pa.
Wala yung boarding pass ah.
Parang sa taas lang ng Manila to. Sa highway. Prince Palace. Sayang, Cambodia pa sana tayo eh. Kaso langanin. Salukuhan kasi gera eh. Yung tren naman dito hindi katulad sa tren sa Singapore.
Nagigano na mahilig sila sa nature. Yung mga sa Boracay na inuupan nila yung katawan nila sa buhangin. Tapos sila, sasaktan sila.
Easy pass and pass. $25 baht. Ito ang mga pinipicturan ko eh. Grabe eh, ganda. Kamu nakita? Hindi daw nakita ni Papa yung train kahapon. Tinitingnan mo ah. Ito yung marami dito, Sampaloc oh. nakikita ko, theater pass. Tunnel.
May sila. Kaya na nila yung grade.
Ganyan. Oh, may overpass din sila. Oh, baba. Meron din silang street light. Oh.
Saging.
Kinakabahan ako. Walang mga tao. Walang tao.
Skylands.
Yes, Bangkok Elephant Park.
Here we have 12 elephant, no, sir. We have 12 elephant. We have these are 10.
Have really skin thick, 3 up to 4 centimeter. That's really thick today. Because today in the morning it's a little bit cold. If elephant is feeling cold, all good already, they're gonna come out. Yeah.
Yan, dahil may nakilala naman si nanay, oh, from Bacolod. Okay. Mm.
Number 1. Yan o. Sumasayaw. True.
Okay mga guys, we're here at Elephant Park, Bangkok. This is the only elephant park here in Bangkok. Siyempre wala na.
Hello guys, welcome to the only one elephant park in Bangkok. Yes, look at this.
Napakaraming elephant dito mga
Yeah.
guys. As in, grabe. Mga kulang-kulang 10 siguro. Meron pang maliliit na elephant doon. Ituturo ko kayo sa mga maliliit na elefante.
pa yun, no?
Mga baby, ayan. Second batch tayo mamaya doon.
See you.
Tingnan mo mga guys, ang liliit pala ng elepante dito. Huh? Kala ko malalaki yung elepante. Yes. So this is the place, Bangkok Elephant Park. Pwede kang maghintay at yung mga package nila syempre dito. Free lunch and everything. At ito yung mga kasama natin. No? Yan, dadaan tayo sa program na yun yan, workshop station. So, dami oh.
Hello, babe. What are you eating? Okay. Soup. Ito ang soup nila.
Oh. Yeah, so we're here in Bangkok, yeah. Yeah, and I will give you some trivia of what is Bangkok means. Bangkok. Yes, ayan na yung dream ni Mama, oh. Okay. Hello, Sawadka, we're here in Bangkok, of course, at the Elephant Park, and I will just want to give some trivia of what is Bangkok, yeah? Bangkok is where you can deposit your money. That's Bangkok, like Bangkok de Oro, Bangkok the Philippine Island. That's Bangkok. In Ilocano, we also have Bangkok, where you can see it. That's Bangkok. Where you can prepare. Wow.
Good morning. Sorry. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. How are you today?
Fine, you're good.
How are you tomorrow? So over here we have been doing like this around 1 year already. Around 1 year. So nowadays over here we have 12 elephant. We have 12 elephant. For the all elephant riding, 1 person on the neck, 2 person on the back. With this head on, we have the circuit of the company. They use elephant for the training, play football, play basketball, dancing, dancer, sing, walking. It's not illegal in Thailand. That's why we have tried to rescue them. Come to living over here together. Okay? How we do rescue them? We have to buy them. We have to buy them. For the 1 elephant, they can have the price around 1 up to 6 million Thai baht. That's around elephant. First one, African elephant and Asian elephant. Do you know how different of them? Do you know? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, ask yourself. The first question, everyone. How did we know elephant are happy or angry? Ear flapping, the first one. The second one, somebody know? Excellent boy. The tail, the ear and the tail. If sometimes you see the elephant, they have the ear flapping, right? This tail swing together. It's mean happy. It's like a dog or cat.
Yeah.
But if sometimes you see the elephant have the ear, they have the ear have to stay out. The ear stay out, and then tail point up. You just run. Okay.
They're angry.
Just running away, far away. Because of them, it's meaning they're angry already. Maybe I run first, okay? But it's okay, don't worry. Over here, we never happened before. Yeah, maybe today is our first day. That's kidding, that's kidding. Okay, the next one. Do you know how long elephant they can live? How long they can live? 100. This guy's so smart. What do you know, boy? What do you know? You open the Google, right? Let me see your phone. Yes, bonbon. Bonbon is mean open your mouth.
Yeah.
Open the mouth. It's elephant language, something like that. You will say open the mouth by themselves, right? If elephant open the mouth, you just put your food on their tongue slowly, but not too deep, okay? But not too deep, huh? And then please don't throw your food inside. Don't do like that. Or try to shoot like a basketball, okay? It's really easy.
Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa right now 16 years old. Everyone 16 years old.
16.
Younger, right? How old are you?
Ingredients in the
Cooking
bottle.
town. Yeah, cooking town. Let's go.
What's this? Sa kanila ba yun kaya?
This is an ingredient.
Oh, sabi. Oh. Oh. Kabisado ni mama yun kasi laging nagpapapa ng paminta yan eh.
Bawang.
Parang wow.
Ano yan?
Wow.
Bilis, bilis.
Bilis na.
So we will make some like this.
No, it's not same. You can try to smell first. Very good. And then guess.
Especially I have
Guess what is that? I can say it to you. It's from elephant. It's from elephant. From elephant.
oh really?
Yeah.
From the boobs of the elephant?
Elephant teeth.
So refreshing.
Yeah. อ่องมันเอามาให้ฝั่งนี้อ่ะ
The elephant.
Elephant tea, elephant tea.
Is bukan untuk elephant. It's very refreshing. Good, ma. This one. Oh, very good smell.
Ay, what's this now?
Yes.
Is it real? No.
Yeah, it's an elephant pee.
Go together. Okay.
Yeah, can. Just you can take some.
Okay. 1,000 peso. Yeah, look at here. Picture, one picture. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yeah? Ah, dali. Na ano yun?
Oh. Hindi, dyan ka tumingin na. Ikaw naman. Sakit. Oh.
1,000 peso.
Put your ingredient inside in the water 3 spoons. 1, 2, 3. If you put inside, finish already. Slide over on the ingredient. Come to be like this. And then try to smell. Okay? Let's go. Please, you did it first 10 seconds. Are you cooking before?
So now it's done already. We have now the inhaler. We have now the Vicks. Yeah. And try to smell. Oh, parang naging pan siya inhaler. Ito yung tatlong senyor. Oh. Huh? Tindi tong mga tatlong senyor. Oh. Gumagawa ng inhaler muna bago magpakain ng elepante.
I try to do it for you first. It's a little bit hard. Why? They need training for the survive in the jungle. First one, food. Second, water. The third is the salt.
Salt.
Salt. For the salt, I love eating inside for making healthy. And then for the lipids, they lost minerally. But in the nature, I love really eating soy or salt. It's a mineral in the soil. I love gonna find that soil and eat it by themselves, right? But over here we don't have salt. we have the sea salt. We use the sea salt for making one also. Okay? For the first way, we just sorbet. Sorbet. Try again. Okay, and then we have to pound. Rice.
Ito na yung ginagawa nila mama nun, saka ni papa eh.
Just stealing them. Okay? For the rice, elephant is eating inside the rice patty. We're gonna soak some bacteria in the stomach. We're gonna eat and take this shell. 1, 2. Do like this. For one hand. Or two hands. Up to you. Mama, come on. Let's go, Billy. Picture.
No, I'll take. Yeah. Okay. Wow, ma. Say.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
She came from family is doing that.
1 hour. 0. 1 hour. Come
But you
on.
pay me
Yeah.
100 baht.
100 baht. Ooh, that's good. Yeah. Okay, Mama did it 1 hour. We go to feeding. Let's go. Papa.
Try. Oh, pa. Let's go. Oh. Nanay.
More powerful.
Nay. Go, Nay.
Sometimes you angry your wife. Oh, she angry you, right?
Yeah, he is a farmer in the Philippines. That's why. Yeah. You know.
Easy to use, sir.
Yeah.
2
Nay,
hours.
gano nay? But now he is already a senior. That's why.
Okay, salamat.
Okay na pa.
Together. Palo. Tamarind.
Sampalo.
Tamarindo. For the tamarind, elephant they eating inside for make digestion system for the elephant.
Oh.
Make them diarrhea or easy to poop it. Okay?
So ito
If
yung
for
mga
the
food
Thai
nila.
people,
It's a tamarind, it's a
sometimes
salt,
Thai people, we have,
rice,
heard about
and the
salt
banana.
bread, right? You're gonna eating the tamarind with the salt. It's
Yeah.
healthier.
And
But if you're eating too much, you're gonna poop it all the time. Okay? Put it inside. Who needs?
yeah.
Also a farmer. Farmer in the Philippines.
Wait a moment.
Kaya pala marami.
Oh, that's the elephant vitamins.
Apple. It's an apple. Banana. Yes, it is.
Here, babe. Babe.
For the banana.
Wow.
For the banana, we put it inside there to make everything.
Yeah.
To make everything sticky together. Okay.
What?
And
Some,
then all the
try.
protein for it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, more power.
Vitamin.
Dissolve power.
It's like.
There's no more.
Okay, let me finish. Almost done. More like this. Like sometimes you're angry at her. Yeah. Where's my money? I think it's a Philippine husband and Thai husband. I think it's we have same power.
Same, right?
Like you're gonna give to the salary to your wife every month.
No salary.
But in our case it's different.
Different, right?
Because she's the one working. I was the house. Preparing for food.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, grab your hand. Make a ball. And then go to feeding them. Elephants don't love it, this one. But we have to control. They cannot eat too much. If they eat too much, they're gonna poop it all the time. Okay? If somebody has ketchup, they're so mad. Ketchup in the pizza. That's illegal in the Italian, you know? Alright? Next one. Ooh! Be careful, tiger.
Ah.
Wait a moment now, we go together. Huh? If you tell this, only hospital can help you, sir. I mean, we cannot help you.
What's your name?
Yeah, it's very good. He knows about elephant, everything about elephant, you know.
We loved it so much we came back.
You know, really? This is his second time? Oh, that's why. You know, a lot.
A couple days ago.
Really?
Yes.
Whoa.
We're ready to leave, so we said let's come back and do it one more time before we go.
He loves elephant.
Oh, it's such a great experience.
Yeah.
So,
Here, I have this one for you. Oh, no more banana. I want to try to do like a sushi. We have more. You want to take more? I have more.
Come on, let's go. Vitamins. Vitamins T Elepante. Vitamins. This is a vitamin. Uy, binayo-bayo pa yo. Oh. Hey ba? Hello ka? Oh, just put okay. Nay, sige. I'll check video. Nay, pakain ka nay, lapit ka nay.
sorry.
Oh. Babe. Bonbon. Bonbon. Oh. Bonbon. Kuya Reno. Bonbon. Oh. So, you say? I have something
for surprise.
bonbon?
Yes, bonbon, in them out. In them out.
Bonbon.
Yes. Bonbon.
Oh. Bonbon.
Can
Oh, nice.
Yeah, sure.
really?
Yeah.
Ako din. Ako din.
Oh. Doon ako ka, babe.
Sir,
Ah, tayo ka dun. Nay. 1, 2.
this side is better.
Siya, kung ang tapnuhan ka nga kwa, siya.
递给他，递给他，就大大方方给就行了。给我，我来帮你。
你们不要这样都
帮你喂他水。
Oh. Yan na, oh. So, sige. Opa. Jay, bonbon pang.
你喂到他嘴里，
Ah.
你试试喂到他嘴里。
Oh. Sige, Nay.
我跟你一块去。
Sige nga. Oh.
给他就直接给他就行了。去吧，去吧，来，我跟你一块去。
Oh, ma. Sige, ma. Ma.
对，好样的，
Sige.
很棒。
Bonbon ka mo, bonbon. Ikas mo lang ito tayo, mamon. Ikas mo ito, imam. Ikas mo ni, ikas mo lang. Oh. Oh.
来，你喂到他嘴里，喂到他嘴里。去吧。
Oh, ingi. Ah,
对，
ito.
不要扔，不要扔，不要往里扔。
Oh.
不要担心他，不要担心他。我帮你喂吗？
Oh. Sige.
对，再过一点，对，好样的，漂亮。不会，不会，不会。
Sige.
他那个嘴很
Kasi ganun mo lang, ganun. Yan lang, ganyan, yan.
那个，就是他那个嘴，这碰
嗯
到你之后也不用担心，他那嘴不用管它，不用管它，不用管它，
哦
不用管它。好，没事。
Oh. Nice.
Pagdadaan siya lang.
Mm.
Parang ano rin
Nasa ka na sa, oh.
sa prostitution din.
Ikaw mo lang pang, alam ulit. Ikaw Simon. Oh. Hmm. One, two. Oh, sali ka bang? Tiga bangir. Tiga, sige, ma, sali. One, two. Sige pa. Oh. Yung pagsayaw. So, katatapos namin magpakain. Basta isigaw mo lang, Bonbon! Open na yung mouth. Oh. Yes. The picture tayo dito. hindi ka kasi nakikinig kanina explanation. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng Bonbon? Open, sabi niya na. Oo nga, hindi lahat naman Bonbon pangalan. Pakain tayo. In the mouth. Yeah.
You good, Mama.
Yeah. Ah.
Hey, you.
Yeah.
Put it in the mouth.
Oh.
No, pick it up. Careful. You come here. Okay, in the mouth, huh? Show your food.
Yeah. Bonbon. Bonbon.
Don't be scared. One more time.
One more time.
Yes. Okay, go there.
Yeah, because I cannot see. Bonbon. Bonbon.
It's like celery.
Hmm? Ah.
Great. Sugar cane.
Okay. Very good. Oh, Nay, picture ka. Ma.
No.
How old is Natalie?
Natalie 30.
30 years old. This is 30.
34 there.
And this is 34 years old. Wow. Where's the 54 years old?
55.
55. Where's it?
Front.
Ah, in the front.
Rope on the front.
Okay. Picture pa. One, two.
Hey, picture ka daw.
Okay na. Nay, gusto mo rin yan? Ganun?
来，你过来，你过来，你过来，来。
Okay na. Sige. Sige. At least, oh, nakakwakat elepante, no? Hawak ka pa elepante. Come, let's go.
Three baby here.
Yeah.
Nice, Papa.
Papa, there. But how many elephants do you have now, sir? How many elephants do you have now here? 12?
Yes.
12? Oh, there are 12 elephants here. But is in any part of India there are also elephants? Some elephants?
The
In
wild,
any other?
the wild elephant or
Wild
the
or even home elephant?
yes, many in
Oh?
Thailand. Yeah.
Yes. We're walking with the elephant. Yeah. This is African elephant, that one. The big one. Ah, very good, nice.
Makahiya.
Okay.
And I know this one.
Right. This is a
See a lot of elephants, but you have to pay like 25,000. Hot daw, hot.
Ikaw nakikita sa akin mo nai-stress ka. Na-stress ako sa taxi. Talo ka. Oh, there the elephant. We will watch them taking part in the mud to pull themselves. Ito mga kasama namin. Oh. Afternoon kami, kaya medyo mainit. Yeah,
Here in Thailand, there are three kind of weather. One is hot. The second one is
very hot.
very hot. And then the third one is very, 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 very hot.
Ruby,
Ruby.
let's go. It's time for you.
Jacuzzi. Oh, pinapakan sa katawan nila yung sarili nilang mud, oh. Oh. Lagay nila yung mud, oh. Oh. 3, 2. Oh. Yan, naliligo sila, oh. How old is Ruby? This one is Ruby?
No, Ruby, that one.
Ruby. This one.
This one, Money.
Money. How old is Money?
6 years old.
6. He already have a
Yeah, the boy. Boy have
Is that African?
Asia.
Asian?
No African in Asia.
Oh.
Okay, oh, happy. Oh, I think it's a Ruby right now. She's stuck. She's stuck.
Yeah.
So happy.
Very happy.
Jun try to get in your hole. People come to stand here. They're gonna grab the mud and throw on this way.
Oh. No.
Just be careful.
We'll just run.
That's why we call him naughty. That's why we call him naughty boy.
Up. Well, where's the other two?
Their sister, so Natalie, Natasha. You want to fight with them? Yeah, I help you. I choose to write them. I help you, man. No. Like fighting, man, fighting. I help you.
Ito, nagpapalamig lang sila sa mud.
Go, girl.
I'm a lover.
3, 2.
Baby,
Init na.
baby,
Lalakad.
you don't want to separate.
Ay, may payong doon eh. Kanina. Nakalimutan natin kumuha.
So how old can you separate?
Nakalimutan pa naman natin. Umalis
How
tayo.
old can you separate?
Sa side.
Oh, they did not separate them.
Sa side. Still eating? Wow.
干龟的妈妈，它的脚这边会受伤，走路的时候会这样。
是不是这只是受伤的脚？
对，这一只，这一只。
I'm a family. กินอะไรตรงนู้นร้อนๆหน่อย Stand here to share it here. Don't worry. Yeah, come closer. It's okay. Really
Kumakain
closer.
pa tong mga to.
Ibig sabihin matibay yung
I'll try to take a picture with
Oh.
elephant mom.
Kaya nga hindi sila
Sugar cane?
Oo.
But why are they?
60 years old? 60 years old senior?
That one, 55. There's a
55.
granny there.
Oh,
She's still eating.
yeah.
This one from elephant logging. Sometimes she walk. She can swing her leg for walk. Because
Oh.
she have broken leg, have the accident falling down in the before. On the right leg. Elephant walking like this, right? step like this, but her walking like this.
Mm.
On the right leg, on the front here. Hey! Hey! We call this one insect protection. For the protect skin from the birds, fly, mosquito, horsefly, anything for they gonna buy them.
Oh, naka-relax lang tong elephant, oh, naka-D4 oh. Hmm.
Yes, brother.
Doon naman sa malaki yun.
Really?
They have two ways for sleep:
Oh?
lay down and standing.
Oh? How
If
can...
elephant they feel safe, they're gonna lay down on the floor for sleep. But if they're not feeling not safe or living nearly living outsider, right? They're gonna
Standing? Oh.
Sorry, I hurt my trunk.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have their injury in my trunk.
Yeah.
지금 지금 자는 거래. 지훈아.
Sleep, sleep.
Yeah, he's already sleeping. Oh, walking again. Hmm. Yes, we are walking with the elephant. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Bye. Here.
Ay, babae ito.
Is that a girl? Natasha. Yeah. Natalie.
Natalie. Ano natin yung ano, no?
Yes. So this is like a hospital of the elephant. Like this. Oh. Mm.
Come this way. Trung文这边。English here. This is a hospital for the elephant, everyone.
Hospital.
It's not finished yet because we don't have more money for pay for the under construction. We have to start with it first. This is all them. Over here in the before we don't have anything.
How many years
Watch out,
exists?
watch out.
How many years the place exists?
How many years for this pet, right?
Yeah.
Only 1 year, sir.
So you just opened last year?
In the last year, yeah.
Yo.
Right now it's a 1 year, and
Hey, picture ka. Oh, papaligo na sila ng elephant eh. Come on. Simang. Ay. Adi, tani. Dito ini. Panay tingin. 1, 2. Oh, tapos samahan nyo sila sa pool. Oh. Ayaw mo? May extra ka naman ate.
Sapatos ang wala.
Hindi, iwan mo lang yung sapatos mo. Pupunas kami.
Ay, ito yung nakikita ko dun sa video, yung Hawaii talaga.
Alright,
Oo. Oh. Kang. Nay, sige Nay, sama ka. What's that? Souvenir. No. Ma. Nay. Oh, paliko. Oh, Nay, picture. Lapit ka pa. Lapit. Saglit, saglit. Oh, they love swimming. Oh. Oh, babe. Andun na. Sama ba? Magtanggal ka sapatos. Oh. Naglalaro sila. May papalitan na naman. Oh. Hindi naligo. Si mama lang nagpaligo ng elepante, oh. Saka si nanay. Saan na si nanay? Oh.
มาถ่ายวันนี้แต่มาเจอพวกเช็คพวกคิดก่อน
Oh. Oh, wow.
ชุดเขียวครับปีนี้โอ้
Okay. Yes, ito after this, ihatid na po kayo sa inyong hotel. Kung sa... Ayan, ito, lahat. It's part of the package. So we're going home now. Just a half-day tour for our and with our driver. Ito na. Pauwi na po kami. Half-day tour. Hi na kayo. Kumusta kayo dyan sa likod?
Okay naman.
Oo. At least. Ito na yung mga elephant, oh. Pauwi na rin sila. Pauwi na po sa ating